This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off web notifications on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To turn on or off web notifications, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right down here, Notifications, you want to click on Settings off to the right side of Notifications. In the little dialog box that opens up, down towards the bottom, it says Block New Requests Asking to Allow Notifications. If this box is checked, you will be blocking notifications. If it's unchecked, you're allowing notifications. Now if you have this box checked and you're still getting notifications, you would have to Google search the issue. It could be caused by browser extensions. It could be caused by malware. You would have to do a little troubleshooting on it. And then you just go down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. That is how to turn on or off web notifications on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.